Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a Feng Shui ornament. It is this golden abacus. Now let me tell you what is the function of the abacus for Feng Shui purpose. The abacus has two sections, the upper and lower section. Normally they have 9 columns. Each column has 2 beads on the upper section and 5 beads on the lower section. During the calculations, beads will hit each other and make a sound, similar to the raindrops that might fall into a bowl. The abacus is an ancient calculator. The columns and beads are designed and arranged neatly. People normally use it at the cash register and accounting area to calculate money in their daily life. This means more noise made, but the abacus means more money coming in. This is why we use it as a Feng Shui ornament to collect and to accumulate money and fortune. We normally put it near the entrance area of the house or business, and next to a cash register or on the desk of an accounting area. Of course, to find out the best place to put the golden abacus is to use a Feng Shui compass to find out where the fortune area of the house or the business premises is. If you like our metaphysics information, you can subscribe at the link below.